This is Maryland Hall for the Creative Arts, which, as you may be able to read on the front, is the former Annapolis High School, but is now an art center. It has artist and residence studios, and it has places where you can make stuff and do stuff, and it has an auditorium, and they give art classes and such, and this is where my show is taking place. So here's what it looks like as you go into the building, and let's go inside. Here's the atrium. They always have some kind of display going on. This is the main hallway, which we will walk down, and you can see the names of the two galleries. The women's room is not one of them. There's the Cheney Gallery and the Martino Gallery, which is the smaller one, and I'm in the Martino Gallery, but they have also given me this space in the hallway for my Annapolis area photos. So there's some drone shots from the local area. This one is one of the very first shots I made in January of 2018, just after I bought the drone, and this one also with the ice as well. And continuing further down, there's two big panoramas of the Annapolis area. That one is a shot of downtown Annapolis. And then on the other side of the hallway are two more shots of the local area. The upper shot is a farmhouse on a snowy day taken about 3 miles from where I live. And the lower one is on Kent Island, which is the island basically in the middle of the Chesapeake where the Chesapeake Bay Bridge crosses. So now we go into the main gallery, and you can hear the roar of the air conditioner. And here we go. So starting on this one wall, this wall is all shots from Iceland, from a visit that we made about 1.5 years ago with our friends Janet and Tim. And there are 11 shots from Iceland. And as you can see, it's kind of a gloomy day outside. I was hoping for some nicer light to make this video, but you take what you can get. And then along this wall, there are shots from Hawaii. That's Hapuna Beach. That's Hanauma Bay, not too far from Honolulu. That's Upolu Point, the northernmost point of the Big Island, where there's a windmill farm. And here's a video of a video. This is an 8-minute video of clips from my various drone flights, and it just loops throughout the day. And there's some shots from the Big Island, some kayakers near a place called End of the World. This is Kealakekua Bay, the Captain Cook Memorial and Marine Reserve. There's some more kayakers. A view down in the hallway. Another shot from Hawaii, that's Waipio Valley. That is the End of the World, it's called. And now we're back in Iceland. That's Lake Mývatn. And so as I step back, give a little bit of a panorama of the room. And you can see my friend Jim there, who has been my accompanying friend on many of my drone flights. And there is the sense of it. And there's my name up in lights. So that's the big ego inflation part. And there we go. That's my drone photography show.